Imagine scientists discover something moving through the darkness beyond our solar system. At first, it looks like an ordinary star. But there is one problem. It's coming toward us. Not Earth. The solar system itself. A star is about to pass through our cosmic neighborhood. And the terrifying part is that it doesn't have to hit anything. Its gravity could be enough. From Earth, the approaching star would look like just another point of light. But astronomers would notice something strange. The stars around us would begin to shift. Comets would change their paths. Objects in the distant solar system would start responding to a gravitational force they had never experienced before. The solar system would no longer be perfectly isolated. Something massive would be passing through it. The first victims probably wouldn't be the planets. They would be the objects living in the solar system's distant outskirts. Far beyond Neptune lies a vast region of icy bodies and comets. A passing star could disturb their delicate orbits. Some objects could be thrown outward into interstellar space. Others could be redirected inward. And suddenly, the solar system could begin sending comets toward the inner planets, including Earth. As the star moved closer, its gravitational influence would become stronger. The planets wouldn't simply stop orbiting the Sun, but their trajectories could be disturbed. The effects would depend on the star's mass, speed, and exact path. Jupiter would become especially important. Its enormous gravity already controls the movement of countless objects. A passing star could alter that gravitational balance, changing the future paths of worlds and debris throughout the solar system. From Earth, the night sky would become extraordinary. A star that once belonged to another part of the galaxy would appear to grow brighter as it approached. Night after night, it would move. Not because the stars normally move that quickly across our sky, but because this one would actually be traveling through our neighborhood. For astronomers, it would be one of the greatest discoveries in human history. For everyone else, it might simply look like a new star. Until scientists explained what it really was. Would the star destroy Earth? Probably not. A direct collision with Earth would be extraordinarily unlikely. The real danger would be gravity. If the star passed close enough, it could disturb the orbits of distant objects, and potentially send some of them toward the inner solar system. The threat might not arrive with the star itself. It could arrive years, or even millions of years later, in the form of objects whose trajectories had been changed. And then there is the strangest possibility. The passing star might not leave the solar system exactly as it found it. It could alter the architecture of our cosmic neighborhood. Some objects could be captured. Others could be expelled. The distant reservoir of comets could be reshaped. The solar system would still exist, but its gravitational history would have been permanently changed. Eventually, the star would continue its journey. It would pass beyond the planets, beyond the outer solar system. And eventually, it would disappear into the darkness between the stars. Earth would still orbit the Sun. The Sun would still rise. Life could continue. But the solar system would remember. Because gravity leaves no footprints. Yet it can change the future of entire worlds. A star doesn't have to collide with a planet to change it. Sometimes, all it has to do is pass close enough. This is Future Files. And in a galaxy filled with billions of stars, we may never know which one will pass by next.